Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making organic crepes with malunggay or moringa. Yeah, that one is ground sugar. Yan, yumminess. So I'm gonna use 1/2 cup of dried malunggay. And I'm gonna blend it or shred it or grind it. Then 3 cups of organic flour. Or flour. Yan. You have to make sure that they're all mixed up. You sift it so it'll be like nice and mixed up. Mix it all up. Nice and mixed up. Really good. Yan. I hope you are enjoying my video. Please let me know if you want me to cook anything else that you like, something that you are interested. And mix it all up really good. Then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna add 8 eggs. Yeah, masarap magluto, you know. It's fun cooking. Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Yan, haluin mo lang siya. Very healthy, high protein, high calcium. Then I added 3 cups of milk. Yan. That's a 2% milk, by the way. And 1/2 cup of olive oil. My olive oil has been soaked on rosemary. Binabad ko siya sa rosemary kasi very yummy ang rosemary. Yan. Haluin nyo lang siya na mabuti. Mix it all up really good. I have to turn on my stove. Kailangan ko nang isindihan yung stove para while I'm mixing, my pan is already warming up. Yan. Mix it up really good. Yummy. Yeah, cooking and baking is fun. I hope you are enjoying my video. Yeah, please let me know if you want me to cook anything else for you next time. I hope you are having fun cooking with me. I'm giving you my family's recipe. Yan. Just mix it all up really good. Haluin nyo lang siyang mabuti kasi ang yan. The second one is a lot easier to do. For some reason, yan. Make sure, you see how I flip the pan? It has to be sticking on all edges para malaki yung ano nyo, so you have a bigger crepes. I hope you are enjoying my video. I hope you are having fun with my video. Please let me know next time if you want me to cook something else for you. Yan. Mabilis sana yan if I put it on high heat, but I don't want to use high heat on my crepes. Yan, very healthy. Yummy and healthy. Yan, you see how easy it is on the second and the third. The first one is always kind of there you go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you could possibly do. Yeah, and I added cottage cheese and yogurt and frozen blueberries. It's so much better if you have the fresh one. Yeah. Thank you for watching. That is powdered sugar. Bye.